In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Calamity mod Terraria multiplayer. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this process using Terraria on Steam. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Calamity for Terraria on Steam and how to host a server for you and your friends to play. First of all, on Steam, sign into the account where you have played Terraria at least once, so make sure you install and open Terraria at least once. Now, go to the Steam store and look for the T-Mod Loader page. As you can see, it's a free mod and you need to own Terraria on your account if you wish to download this mod. After you install T-Mod Loader, it should appear on your library. As you can see over here, T-Mod Loader. First of all, open it up and then you can close it. Just make sure you install and run it at least once. To install Calamity, click on the mod page and over here at the right-sided menu, after clicking on T-Mod Loader, you are going to see the Steam Workshop. Select to visit this workshop and look for Calamity. You are looking to download this one, Calamity mod from FabSol. Make sure it's the right one. It has 11,000 ratings as of this recording and click subscribe. Now you can go back to your library and run T-Mod Loader once again, and when you open it up you are going to get this message as you can see over here, new mods. Make sure everyone who is going to play multiplayer install Calamity as well. Now to actually host the server, go into multiplayer, host and play. Click your character, the world, and then make sure C multiplayer is enabled. You can either do it for invite only or friends only and then start the server. Input an optional password and select accept to start the server. As long as everyone is running the same version of T-Mod Loader Terraria and they have the Calamity mod installed, you will be able to play together. If people just want to join the server you are hosting, all they have to do is select Join Server or Join via Steam on the Multiplayer tab. You can also invite them through this option over here. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Calamity mod Terraria multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.